Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel, and today we're going to introduce you to Fleece's PowerFlo Lift Pump. This is Fleece's entry into the fuel lift pump market, and I've got to tell you, this is a home run. First off, thanks to the guys at Fleece Performance for sending us this rocking display. This is a really nice unit. They've also sent us a pump for an installation video, which we will get to pretty soon for you. Thank you for that, guys. We're chomping at the bit to get one installed. Now let's talk just a little bit about this pump. This is a pure drop-in performance upgrade. If you're in the market for a lift pump right now and your truck platform has in-tank lift pump, this is totally going to be the way to go for you. This is drop-in. Again, you don't have to modify your tank to be able to use this pump. It is going to drop right in. It retains your fuel level sensor. You have a new fuel level potentiometer that comes on this for fuel level readout. It hooks up at the stock wiring harness right here on the top. It is going to retain your stock fuel line sizes. So you pop yours off, put the new ones on, or hook it into this fuel level to this lift pump, and away you go. This is a dual gear rotor pump design. These dual pumps, they will flow enough fuel to supply up to 800 horsepower for you guys. Now, you got what they call the active fill technology. This is just a high flow return system, so you're getting fuel back into the basket as quickly as you can to feed those gear rotor pumps so you can get fuel to your engine, and then all the good stuff goes. Again, fully drop in, fuel level senders on there, everything's on there. This is ready to go right out of the box. So Fleece did a great job. Machined aluminum top on these with the Fleece logo right on the top of it there for you too. Really cool. Lifetime warranty on this pump. It's ready to go for you guys. So if you've got a question about this lift pump or any other Fleece products, please give us a call. And as always, we really appreciate it if you'll like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.